Hi, it's Phil here today to show you my Citroen C1 2012 on a 12 plate, 20,000 miles, sold on behalf of a friend. You'll deal direct with him, a chap called Mark. It was his son's car. He actually owns this site where we're on, so he's just, for a favour, he's asked us to sell the car. But basically, honest, in black, 20,000 miles, 2012, proper and correct car. No bumper scuffs, as you can see, front or back. No trolley dents. Again, the rear is all in great condition. Really, the car's been nowhere and done nothing. Slight mark there, only very slight. I don't know if you can see that, but nothing of any real consequence. So there you have it. What I'll do now is I'll take you inside the car, so see you in a second. Hi, it's Phil again. So what I'm going to do now is take you inside the car. I'm going to show you the engine bay first. And don't forget, this is a HD model. Sorry, HD camera, so you can really look in depth about the car. Now, as you can see there, got the Toyota logo. You've got the Peugeot, Citroen and Toyota Aygo are all the same. There's just different bumpers on the front and the back. They're actually all made by Toyota, but you'll pay a premium for one and they're no better, there's no difference. Great to insure, great first time car, or just great economical car. They just run and run and run on a gallon of petrol. You've got air conditioning, you've got AUX, 5-speed box. The car's only done 20,000 miles, and you can tell by the best colour, the black. So there you have it. So if you need any further information on the car, give us a call. As I said before, it's been sold on behalf of a friend. So give us a call and I'll pass your number on. My number is 07775 038270. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon.